Is Nelson pulling?
Okay,
Oh,
1,
help, Nelson.
2, 3, go!
Once we get going, it's easy. Once we get going, it's easy. Pull, Nelson, pull.
Strong, guys, come on.
Okay, just Gloria then, huh? Nelson, do you want to sit as well?
You sit with Gloria and then take a picture. Go, Gaga.
Go here, go here.
Supposed to run.
Yep. He's alright. Careful, Nelson.
It's not so ramping.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, what's your opinion of the snow then, Rachel McClure? Are you going to complain like British people?
No, I love it! It's beautiful.